Using FavePay is simple, and it's even easier when you have your payment details saved. This guide will walk you through linking your bank or credit card to FavePay so you can pay and redeem rewards in seconds. First, open the Fave app and head to the Me tab, which is usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Look for the My Payment Methods or a similar section and tap on it. Here, you should see an option to add a new card or manage your existing cards. Select Add a New Card. You will then be prompted to enter your credit or debit card details, the card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code. Fave accepts major cards like Visa and MasterCard. After entering your details, you'll be asked if you want to save the card. Make sure you select Save so it's ready for your future FavePay transactions. You can also designate it as your primary method of payment for even faster checkouts. A second way to link a card is during an actual FavePay transaction. When you're at the payment screen, after scanning a QR code or selecting a partner, and you've keyed in the bill amount, you'll see the Payment Methods section. If you don't have a card saved, you'll have an option there to add one. Enter the details just like before, and be sure to check the box to save the card for next time. Linking your card is secure and means you're always ready to pay quickly and earn instant cashback or rewards. Now you're all set to use FavePay seamlessly.